Okay, everyone, good day. How are you? And welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you another job you should apply to, and it's currently open. So the earlier you apply to it, the better. So here is another job, and this is New York Times company, a journalism job company. I know that you guys are familiar with New York Times. So they have so many roles that are currently open and which you can apply to all over the world. But today I want to talk about an internship role in the newsroom, a form of journalism. So I'm going through to the internship program for people that may not have experience in journalism or somebody who is a student and wants to work with New York Times. So here it is. The link will be posted in the description of this video. Okay. First, I need you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and please turn on notification button to know each time I post new set of videos. Please like and share this video, and remember to tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. So this job, New York Times summer 2022 internship, it's completely remote, so you don't have to travel to Hong Kong or Singapore. Okay, so the role has to do with internship which would hold in June 2022, and it's a paid internship 10 weeks long, and you will work remotely. You have to be fluent in Chinese and English, and any experience in sales is a plus. You should have interest in sales and marketing and business strategy. The, then what will you be doing? Okay, so as a sales intern, you will be conducting market research and competitor analysis on a specific initiative in the region that may result in lists of potential customers. Also, you have to create a best practice repository, provide input on customer briefs, presentations, and sales literature. Also help develop client relationships and retain existing accounts. Assist in evaluating new revenue opportunities and learn and apply sales techniques. Gain experience with sales outreach and professional communications. Okay, what are the perks? When you intern at the New York Times, as a unique opportunity, you will get to work at a historic and innovative global media organization dedicated to enhance society by creating, collecting, and distributing high quality news and information. You'll be helping to power, distribute, and expand what is possible for our award winning journalism. There, you also run week-long maker event during the summer where design, product projects, marketing, and technology come together. Okay. You get to collect and get to have competitive pay, great perks, and possibility for influential networking. The New York Times is committed and has a very inclusive workforce that reflects the varied global community we serve. The New York Times is an equal opportunity employer and does not discriminate on the basis of individual sex, age, race, color, creed, and all that. So, having said that, if once you are interested, okay, just click on the apply button. And once you click on apply, you can either autofill with your resume or apply manually or use your last application. I've not applied to this, but let's click on applying manually. Once you apply, you have to sign in or create an account. Then there you upload your details, your name and all that, and every other thing you need to upload. So this career, it's a good one and it should be a very good start for someone who is interested in journalism. Okay, I've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and be up to date with my videos. I'll be posting more jobs that are open and are remote based. I will also post some full-time jobs as well as part-time jobs. You can also signify in the comment section and tell me what kind of jobs you like to see and what kind of jobs you like to know more about. Okay, so thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Stay blessed and have a beautiful day. Bye.